You know that iconic image of Neil Armstrong taking one small step on the moon? Breathtaking, right? That moment wasn't just a leap for mankind, it was a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. But hold on, ever wondered how that lunar lander touched down so gracefully? It wasn't just luck or a fluke, it was the result of meticulous planning and cutting-edge technology. It's all thanks to some nifty engineering, specifically the landing gear. These mechanisms are more than just metal and bolts, they are the unsung heroes of space exploration. Those spindly legs, purpose-built for the moon's dusty surface, absorbed the impact, ensuring a smooth landing. They were designed to handle the unique challenges of the lunar environment. Imagine the pressure! A tiny mistake, and Armstrong might have ended up bouncing right back into space. The precision required was astronomical, pun intended. Talk about pressure! This, my friends, is the magic of landing gear. They are the silent sentinels that ensure every landing is a safe one. It's the unsung hero of every flight, ensuring a safe and stable touchdown, be it on solid ground or the surface of the moon. Without them, our journeys would be far more perilous. So buckle up, gearheads, as we delve deep into the fascinating world of aircraft landing gear, those marvels of engineering that literally keep planes grounded. From the moon to your local airport, these trusty gears are always at work. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What exactly makes up this crucial system? The landing gear is more than just wheels and struts, it's a complex assembly of various components working together seamlessly. Think of it as a well-coordinated team. Each part has a specific role, and together they ensure the aircraft can land safely and efficiently. First up, we have the shock absorbers. These components are crucial for absorbing the energy from landing impacts. These hydraulic bad boys cushion the impact of landing, saving passengers from feeling every bump on the runway. Ouch! Without them, every landing would be a jarring experience. Next, the bones, the struts. These are the backbone of the landing gear system. These sturdy structures connect the wheels to the aircraft, providing the necessary strength to support its weight. They ensure the aircraft remains stable during takeoff, landing and taxiing. And of course we can't forget the feet, the wheels. These are the parts that make contact with the runway. Made of high-strength materials, they withstand incredible forces during takeoff and landing. But that's not all. They also need to be durable enough to handle the wear and tear of multiple landings. There's a whole network of hydraulic systems, brakes and sensors working in perfect harmony to ensure a smooth and controlled stop. These systems are meticulously designed to handle the immense stress and pressure during landing. It's like a well-choreographed ballet, except with a lot more metal and grease. Every component plays its part to perfection, ensuring the safety and comfort of everyone on board. Now, imagine the stress these parts go through. We're talking tons of metal slamming onto the tarmac at high speed. That's why they're crafted from some of the toughest materials known to man. We're talking high-strength steel, titanium alloys, and even composites, all chosen for their incredible strength-to-weight ratio. And don't forget the tires. They're pumped up to insane pressures, sometimes 6 times higher than your car tires. That's some serious air. Creating these components involves a delicate balance. They need to be strong enough to withstand the forces of landing, but also light enough to avoid weighing the aircraft down. It's a testament to the ingenuity of engineers who managed to achieve this feat time and again. Section 4, From Factory Floor to Flight, the making of a landing gear. The journey from raw materials to a fully functional landing gear is a fascinating one. It all begins in sophisticated factories, where giant machines and skilled workers transform metal into precision-engineered components. Think of massive forging presses shaping steel like Play-Doh, robotic arms welding parts with laser precision, and meticulous inspections at every stage. It's a symphony of industrial might and human expertise. The finished components are then meticulously assembled, tested and retested to ensure absolute perfection. After all, lives depend on the flawless performance of these critical parts. Talk about a high-stakes job. Section 5, Wheels of Time, a history of landing on our feet. From the Wright brothers' rudimentary skids to the sophisticated retractable landing gear of today, the evolution of this technology has been nothing short of remarkable. The journey began with the Wright brothers, who used simple wooden skids to land their pioneering aircraft. Early aircraft relied on simple fixed landing gear, which created drag and limited speed. These fixed gears were essentially wheels attached to the aircraft, making takeoffs and landings a bumpy affair. But necessity, as they say, is the mother of invention. As aviation technology advanced, so did the need for more efficient landing systems. With the advent of faster aircraft, retractable landing gear emerged, tucking neatly away during flight to reduce drag and boost speed. Talk about sleek! This innovation allowed aircraft to fly faster and more efficiently, revolutionizing air travel. Today, engineers are exploring active landing gear systems that can adjust in real time to uneven terrain, making landings smoother and safer than ever before. These advanced systems can even morph their shape to adapt to different landing conditions, ensuring optimal performance in various environments. The future of landing gear promises to be even smoother, safer, and even more awe-inspiring. With continuous innovation, who knows what incredible advancements await us in the sky?